My name is Professor M.S. Rao. I'm an executive educator, executive coach, and author of 30 leadership books. One of my leadership books, titled 21 Success Sutras for Leaders, was ranked as one of the top 10 leadership books by San Diego University for the year 2013. It's widely read globally by various leaders, including CEOs. Having got a great response for this book, I have authored another book titled 21 Success Sutras for CEOs. This book talks about CEOs who built great organizations and who led during turbulent times. It contains lots of case studies, inspiring stories, and illustrations. This book contains 21 sutras. One of the sutras is about seeing the big picture. It is essential for CEOs to see the big picture. If they are able to see the big picture, they will be able to identify the opportunities, and they will be able to take care of the threats as well. And they can also convert threats into opportunities. So when I was writing this chapter, two leaders came to my mind. One is Richard Branson, another is Warren Buffett. So in this chapter, I talked about Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is very renowned across the world. He is one of the richest persons in the world, and he started investments at the age of 11 itself. And there are a number of leadership lessons we can learn from him. In fact, Carlos Group recognized Warren as the manager of 20th century, and Warren Buffett has received a Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2011. So that shows his international credentials. He's not only a great investor but also a fine human being and a great philanthropist, because he spends most of his income on charities and on philanthropic activities. So there are lessons we can learn from this lesson. First thing is, you have to be clear about what you are doing. That means you should have clarity of what you are doing, and you should invest on fundamentals. And he builds a team which is much smarter than him. So when you build a team much smarter than you, automatically more people with more caliber will be around you, and you will be able to build a better organization. He gives a lot of freedom to his people to take care of the organization, and he leads a simple life. He bought a house for 35,000 US dollars very long back. Still, he lives in that house, and he has a car. So he leads a very simple life. He leads a frugal life. So likewise, there are a number of lessons we can learn from him. He believes in one thing, that is making a difference in the lives of the people and adding value to the society. So when we talk about this big picture, let us take details oriented also. That means we usually find two kinds of people in the world. One is the people with big picture thinking, and the people with details oriented. That means the people who are detail oriented, they believe in numbers. They are very keen to know the details. Whereas the people who see the big picture, they are very creative and innovative, and they see what can't be seen by others. So therefore, the leaders must be in a position to foresee the upcoming challenges, and also foresee the opportunities, so that they'll be able to build great organizations. So the takeaway from this today's video is, learn leadership lessons from Warren Buffett to see big picture, to minimize organizational challenges, and to maximize organizational excellence. Thank you very much for watching this video.